Hi everyone, I am Ashwin Putwala, team member of this project. Other teammates K. Ashwin, admin of the team who has developed the project, Mr. Rohan and Ms. Monica has worked on the documentation required for this project. Our project title is APPOINTuDOC. It is a static website that comes under the domain of health. Moving on to the deployment of this website, firstly, we need to open the Microsoft Azure portal and log in with our required credentials. Here we can see that we have opened the Google Chrome where we are giving it as Microsoft Azure portal in the search bar. After typing the Microsoft Azure login, we can navigate into the Microsoft Azure portal where we need to click on sign in and give our credentials such as email and password. After giving your password, it will be redirected into a page like this where we can see a option called create a resource. And in the search bar, search for the storage account, where it will be redirected to a page like this, and we can find the storage account and press on the create storage account. Here we can see the basic details such as subscription, which will be retail subscription, resource group name as Dr. RG. Coming to instant details, we are giving storage account name as Dr. Stack and region as Australia East. And then the performance will be standard performance, and coming to redundancy we are giving it as geo redundant storage. Click on next where we will get into the advanced section where we will see security hierarchical namespace access protocols, and in blob storage select the checkbox allow cross tenant replication. Click on review plus create. We are seeing that validation is in progress. Then click on create. Now we can see the pop-up that initializing deployment. Here we can see that deployment is in progress, and after that we will see a notification that our deployment is successful. Here we can see a pop-up notification that deployment succeeded and your deployment is completed. Now go to resource, search for the static website in the search bar, open it, and we have to enable the static website, and in index document name we need to give it as index.html, and in error document path give it as 404. Now click on the save button. Here we can see that static website settings are successfully updated now. Now again in the search bar search for the containers, and in containers click on the web where we need to upload the files. Select the checkbox that overwrite if files already exist and click on the browse for files. Click on upload where we can see the blobs are successfully uploaded. Now again click on upload. Check the box overwrite if files already exist. Now browse for files and upload all the remaining files that are related to our project, and now click on the upload. Here we can see that blobs are uploading and successfully uploaded blobs. Now go back to home, open the storage account and search for the static website. Here we can find the primary endpoint and secondary endpoint, where we need to copy the primary endpoint link and open it in the new tab where it will be redirected to our website. Here we can see the overview of our website. Now go back to Azure portal, search for the Azure AI services. and click on language service, which we can see on the left side of the screen. Click on create and enable the custom question answering. Click on continue to create your resource. Here we can see how to create language service. In project detail, choose subscription as free trial and choose resource group name as Dr. Aji, as we have created earlier and working on it. Whereas coming to instance details, we will go with Australia East as region and giving name as Doctor Language, pricing tier as free, and scroll down slowly where we will see that by checking this box I certify that I have reviewed and acknowledged the terms in the responsible AI notice, and select it and choose standard as Azure search pricing tier and click on review plus create and create. You can see that pop up that initializing deployment. You can see another pop up that submitting deployment. We can see a notification that deployment is in progress. After some time, you can see that deployment is completed. Now go to resource group and open language resource, that is Doctor language, which we have created few minutes ago. Scroll down and click on get started with language studio. It will redirect to the new tab where we have to sign in again. Then we will see a pop-up that welcome to new language studio. Here in the language studio, give the Azure directory as default directory, Azure subscription as free trial, and resource type as language, and resource name as Doctor language. Click on done. Now click on create new and select custom question answering, where we need to select, I want to select the language when I create a project in the resource, and click on next. Give the project name as APPOINTuDOC and description as doctor's appointment and language as English, and then click on next. After that, click on create project. We are seeing a pop-up loading project completed, project loaded successfully. Click on add source, then files, and give source name as chatbot. And upload chatbot questions file, which we saved as an Excel file while working on a project, and click on add all. Here we can see that sources are adding. This may take few minutes. And after these sources are added, we can see that notification here. Next, click on the deploy knowledge base. We can see this option in the left side of the screen. Click on deploy so that our project starts deploying now. Here deployment could take a couple of minutes. Here we can see that our project was deployed successfully. Click on create a bot. It will redirect to new tab again. Here we can see custom deployment. In this we have project details such as free trial, subscription, our resource group name as Dr. RG, choose it. Coming to instant details, Australia East is selected by default. Review other details and click on review plus create. We will move into the web app. We have chosen creation type in app service plan. For the language resource key, we need to go back to the deploy knowledge base tab and open settings and click on resources. Here the resource key, copy it and paste it here in the language resource key. Click on next and then click on create. This may take few more minutes to deploy. We can see a pop-up notification that deployment is in progress. After few more minutes, we can see that the deployment is completed. Here app service plan is created and resources too. Now go to resource group and open bot service and search for the channels in the search bar. Where we can find the Microsoft Teams. Click on the Microsoft Teams and tick the checkbox and click on agree. After that, click on apply. Here we can see that Microsoft Teams channels is creating. We can see a notification that savings the Microsoft Teams, and after that we can see a notification that Microsoft Teams channel is created. Now click on close. Open web chat and then open the default site where we can find the embedded key, and in that we need to copy the embedded code. Now go back to home and open storage account and search for the containers in the storage account, and in the containers open web, and next open the chatbot files which we named as indexchat.html. Click on edit and paste the embedded key in the body and click on save it. Go back to home, open storage account, click on the channels, click on web chat, click on the default site, copy the secret keys Click on the containers, click on web, click on indexchat.html, click on edit. Now paste the secret core at the place of your secret here. Now click on the save. Now go back to storage account and in storage account search for the data protection. We will find it in the data management. Enable Azure backup for blobs, and now we have to create a backup vault where we are giving the vault name as Dr. Vault and resource group as Dr. RG. Now click on create. We can see a pop-up notification that initializing deployment, submitting deployment. We can see a notification that deployment is in progress. After few minutes, this may take few minutes to get deployed, and after few minutes we can see a pop-up notification that deployment successful. After that we need to click on the manage identity, and then we need to click on Azure role assignments, where we need to click on add role assignment and select the scope as resource group, subscription as free trial. The resource group name is given as Dr. RG, and give the role as owner and click on next, where we can see that role uh, added role assignment. Next we need to click on the backup policy, where create new and give the policy name as Doctor Policy, and click on review plus create, and then click on create. Here we can see that backup policy is being created and successfully validated Azure backup, and after some time we can see that successfully updated data protection settings. Now go back to home, open storage account, search for the static website, copy the primary endpoint and open it in the new tab. So after copying the primary endpoint, we need to paste the primary endpoint in a new tab where it will be redirected to our website. So this is how our website looks like. So now I'm going to explain you about our website. Our website name is APPOINTuDOC. APPOINTuDOC is nothing but an online platform where you can book an online appointment for the required specialization. So coming to our website main aim is to provide the quality treatment at an affordable cost, where even a poor and a common man can also utilize the quality treatment nowadays. And coming to our key things in our website, Our website is very much affordable in cost, and only not only we have concentrated on the cost, but the services we provide are very cost effective, and the doctors are also highly skilled, and the appointment booking is also very convenient. We have wide range of specialties. Not only that, but we have the transparent pricing where you can see in our website itself. And why to choose our website is we provide these all the key things where we can utilize our website. And not only the key things, I just want to add more about the services we provide, that are neurology, orthopedic, dentistry, cardiology, nephrology, pulmonology. These are the major services we are providing. And coming back to home, we can see the pricing of that each and every service we are providing. That's where you can see they're just like 399 to 299, 399 249, like that. And not only the pricing, but also the appointment system. So how to book an appointment? So you just need to fill your name, age, gender, and the phone number and the blood group of yours. And after that, just need to fill the preferred date, like on which date you just want to book your appointment in the time, and also the classify the type of treatment you just want to have with our website. And after that, just click on the submit appointment. You can have the pop-up that thank you, request has been successfully submitted. And after that, not only reviews, but also we have a thing called testimonials, where we have provided two questions as you have satisfied with our website or not. We just want to take your review and your opinion, so just we can improve ourselves. And not only that, we have also provided a box called additional comments, where you can just give your feedback to us. And after this, you can just click on the submit review. So this is just an example we have taken, and we have given the answers and additional comments and clicking on the submit review, whether we can get price for the review. And after that, we need to click on the chatbot, where we have given some chatbot questions to the site. Like if you just type hi, so the chatbot that we have prepared will be giving you itself an answer that welcome to APPOINTuDOC. Hi, welcome to APPOINTuDOC. How can I assist today? Hello, welcome. Not only hi, but there are some other questions just I want to give. For example, if I am giving it as what is APPOINTuDOC, so it will be giving me an answer that APPOINTuDOC is an online appointment scheduling platform designed to streamline the booking process. So this is what our website looks like, and the overview of our website. Thank you.